If you want to change your language in Adobe After Effects, this is your video. So the first thing you have to do is to press Ctrl F12. If you are on a Mac computer, you have to press Function Command F12 and you will get this console here. So the next thing we have to do is to press the menu here and press Debug Database View. So once we're here, the only thing we must do is search for language and you will find application language here. So you have to write the next inside this little box, EN US. You have to add this little bar that I don't know how it's spelled in English, but you will know for sure. So the next thing we have to do is to close the program and open it again. So this works for all the Adobe programs, so if you have this issue on another program, this also will work, so don't worry about it. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell in the subscription button. See you next time in another Easy Way video. Goodbye!